Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to follow objects here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's load up a video of ours. Let's go for this one for example. Wait for it to load and let's find the part where we'd like to do the tracking. So let's go for example to end of the video for example. You can see right here we want to track these items right here. Now we need to make sure we select the video, make sure they're selected, then go to mask in the very top right. Once we've clicked on this, click add mask, select how we'd like to track it. So let's go by a rectangle and let's change the size of that. This is the thing we'd like to track. Then we'll scroll all the way down and just click track. It will take maybe a little bit of time, sometimes a few seconds, sometimes a minute, just to fully process the tracking. But if I now click play, you'll see it will follow that item. Now have a play around with this until you get it right. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.